Culture complex. When a group of culture traits which are interrelated and dominated by one essential culture trait. So what is culture complex? There are different traits in every culture. There are different things happening in every group which has the same culture. And then there is another group who has a different trait in their culture because it's a different group. But then all these traits are interrelated. And as we say, some influence the other community also. So some traits the groups are also sharing. But essentially what happens is that in one group, all the traits that the group has in the culture, they get interrelated. For example, let's take the example of marriage. If it is a cultural trait in a particular group that the dowry has to be more from the side of the girl's family, then that is one cultural trait in one group. This has to be connected to the settling or arranging of marriage. So that will be another trait which will be connected to the trait of giving dowry to the girl in order to settle her in her life. So that means what will happen as a result, that people will consider in that particular group the birth of a girl child to be a nuisance, because that is a burden for them, because in their culture they need to have more dowry collected for getting their daughter married respectively and also to get her settled. So one thing is related to another. Because there is a requirement of dowry, therefore the birth of the girl is not being encouraged. But then what happens is that in all these traits, something becomes very dominant. Is the right of birth of a girl, or is the burden of the birth of the girl becoming more dominant, or is the dowry becoming more dominant? So some of the traits will get together, will be interrelated, but then one factor will dominate the rest of the factors. So the one which dominates becomes the culture complex. So ultimately, in the example that I have given, probably the culture complex is the birth of a girl in that particular group, because that dominates the whole scenario. Because of that, people are being burdened that when this girl grows up, they have to get a lot of dowry to marry her off. In the same way, nationalism. Sometimes there are some traits which are working in a particular group towards doing things in a way which they think are good for their nation. So probably they are having a magazine published in which they are writing articles on national basis. Probably they are having discussions and meetings to upgrade the economic levels of their nation, or maybe some other standards that they think would be good for their nation. But then what happens ultimately, there is a force which becomes more dominant to bring up all these national issues, and it also becomes a culture complex, that this particular group is working hard and is driving so many campaigns and projects in order to get the national goals achieved. So that also becomes a culture complex. So culture complex is a mind idea on which people are working because they think they are doing a lot in it, and it dominates the other factors also. So in that way, maybe people would start collecting funds for national causes, and that would become a sort of culture complex for them.